Today I teach you how to write a sentence correctly. As whenever we speak or whenever we write, we use words. If we don't put these words in order, the reader or the listener will not be able to understand what we have written or what we have said. So, grammar is that thing which teaches us how to write or speak a language correctly. Simply, the definition of the grammar will be, it is a set of rules which enables us how to write or how to speak a language correctly. So today my topic is sentence pattern. How to write a sentence correctly. Before I discuss this topic, let me explain the terms which are used in these patterns. These terms are subject, verb, object, complement and adverbial. As sentence has two parts. First part is subject, second part is predicate. Subject means mubtada in Sindhi and predicate means khabar in Sindhi. Subject is not always the doer of the action. As look at these two examples. This is a room. In this sentence, this is the subject. I teach you English. In this sentence, I is subject. This is also subject and I is also subject. But the word this is not the doer of the action. It is subject, means mubtada, beginning of the sentence. And in second sentence, I is doer of the action. So you should be clear about the subject. Subject is not always the doer of the action. Whenever we are talking about the structure of the sentence, when we say that subject and predicate, there the subject is not doer of the action. I told you that there are some terms which are very necessary to explain in the beginning. Subject, it is a word or group of words denoting the person or thing about which something is said. It is subject. And object, it is a word or group of words suffers the action of the subject. And complement, it is a word or words linking the verb to complete their meaning. There are three terms which I explained here. There are total 5 terms: subject, verb, object, complement and adverbial. In the next lectures, inshallah, we will work on every component of the sentence. But today, as I want to teach you only the patterns of the sentence, means how to write a sentence correctly. There are 10 patterns on which a sentence is written correctly. If you are clear about these 10 patterns, then you will be able to write a sentence correctly. The first pattern is SVO. S means subject, V means verb, O means object. I read a newspaper. I is subject, read is verb, newspaper is object. Second, subject, verb, complement, SVC. Ahmed is a teacher. Ahmed is subject, is a verb, and a teacher is complement. As complement, it is a word or words linking the verb. Here, a teacher which is complement, links the verb, is to make its meaning clear. Understand? This is complement. The third pattern is SVA, subject, verb, adverbial. I will teach you adverbial in the end. So, he went quickly. He is subject, went is verb, and quickly is object. Number 4 pattern. Subject SVOA, subject, verb, object, complement. He said, he did, is a duty, very well. He is a subject, did is verb, his duty is object, and very well is adverbial. Number 5 pattern. Subject, verb, object, object. There are two objects. One object will be direct object and the other object will be indirect object. Look at these sentences. He sent a message to me. Here, he is a subject, sent is verb, a message is object, direct object, and me is indirect object. Same sentence can be written this way also. He sent me a message. Subject, verb, indirect object, direct object. Means direct object and indirect object can be replaced, can change their places. If we put direct object before indirect object and after verb, then we will need preposition before the indirect object when it is used after the direct object. But when the indirect object is used after verb and before the direct object, then preposition is not needed. As he sent me a message, there is no preposition. Here, true is a preposition. When indirect object is placed after direct object, we will need preposition. Number 6 pattern. Subject, verb, object, complement. Sentence. People elected him president. People is subject, elected is verb, him is object, and president is complement. Number 7 pattern. ASVO, adverbial, subject, verb, object. Slowly he learnt English. Slowly is adverbial, he is subject, learn is verb, English is object. Number 8 pattern. ASV, adverbial, subject, verb. How wonderfully the man performed. How wonderfully, it is adverbial. The man is subject and performed is verb. Number 9 pattern. VOA, verb, object, adverbial. This is imperative sentence. Clean the room very well. Clean is verb, the room is object, and very well is complement. This is imperative sentence. VO, verb and object. It is also imperative sentence. Open the window, verb and object. Now, here the term is used adverbial. Adverb, adverbial. What is adverb? What is adverbial? Adverbial, a word or group of words functioning as an adverb is called an adverbial. It can be one word or group of words. In the first sentence, he went slowly. Slowly is adverb, adverbial. He did very well. This is a group of 2 words. Very well is adverbial. Put the book on the table. On the table is adverbial. This is not adverb, but functions as an adverb in the sentence. Means put to the book. Where to put? Where means place adverb. Adverb after is adverbial. This is adverbial. Thank you very much.